everybody, I'm Radwani and welcome to the 70th Hyundai Filmfare Awards 2025 with Gujarat Tourism. I am with the man himself who's so talented, nominated, performing. This is the year of Abhishek Bachchan and I'm sure it continues to be. Congratulations, AB. Wonderful seeing you.
To say thank you very much.
But what a year it has been for you.
Thank you.
The last film that we spoke about, you were so wonderful in it. You're nominated here for I Want to Talk. What an important film to have. Is a special filmfare for you, AB?
Oh, extremely. It's very, very special because it's the 70th year. So firstly, congratulations to Filmfare, to Jitesh, to all of you, to Mr. Jain and the entire Times of India family. Completing 70 years of any, publication is an amazing, amazing task. So congratulations. It's special because I remember when we celebrated the 50th Filmfare Awards. That was the first time I ever won a Filmfare Award. And just to be nominated for the 70th, I think, is a matter of great pride. I'm thankful. I'm very excited for the evening, and I wish everybody all the best.
But very humbly, he has obviously not so much commented on him being nominated. I'm going to bring it back. It is a nomination. You're performing. Very excited. Obviously it was Mr. Bachchan's birthday. It's just everybody celebrating it. You're performing on stage. I want to know give us a little about what performance and the fact that you're nominated for a movie like I Want to Talk.
Well, I'm very, very honored to be nominated twice. That's a first for me, so I'm very, very excited. I'm very happy for Shoojit Da because this is his vision and his dream. And I just feel so honored to be nominated with such a wonderful group of actors. I'm excited for the evening. Yes, I'll be performing, so I'm looking forward to that. I hope they like the performance.
Can you give us a little more what's happening in the performance?
You'll have to wait and watch.
I'll let you go by asking this last question. I know you have a long night ahead. AB, we've seen such wonderful, brave choices from your side, and you've always been doing it. But I see this year, like I said, with 2-3 films coming out that way, where is this kind of evolution of your career going? What are your thoughts on it, and what is it that you want to do more with it?
Well, it's a great question. I think you have to be inspired to do what you do. And I think we are working in wonderful times where everybody has the opportunity to express themselves. And thankfully people, and especially directors and producers, are giving me an opportunity and offering me work that inspires me and allows me to fulfill my creative needs. And I'm just very thankful. I don't like to question it too much. I just want to be thankful and grateful for it. Do watch the Filmfare Awards 2025 on Times Play. Enjoy yourselves.